Sanger WESTcast is a broadcast produced by students studying multimedia at Sanger West High School. The program is designed to inform, engage, inspire, and entertain the Sanger West community. It is a place where stories are told about the people and activities that make our school unique. So let's get sharing.
Trolling, yeah, I think my life is a movie. Paparazzi, they all trying to show me, but it's all Gucci. Flex like his shawty, he's a groupie. My life got me feeling like I'm trolling. Trolling, yeah, I think my life is a movie. Paparazzi, they all trying to show me, but it's all Gucci. Flex like his shawty, he's a groupie. My life got me feeling like I'm trolling. I just stand on the red carpet, that's where he at. Chauffeur pulled up in a stretch map black, yeah. I'm about to lose control. My life go rock and roll.
Hi, I'm Nelly Briseño, and welcome to the Sanger WESTcast. In this broadcast, we'll give you an update on what's been happening around campus. You will hear from a student who recently went to Texas to compete with the Robotics Team. We'll introduce you to our new student body president, update you on ongoing construction projects, take you inside the Hmong class, show you how to make enchiladas, and try to solve the debate over which fast food restaurant makes the best fries. But first, have you ever noticed the empty lot across from our school? The one right behind me, on northwest corner of Fowler and Jensen Avenues. It's big, over 17 acres. It's for sale for just under $4 million. Why do we care? Because it's zoned for commercial use. That means when it sells, the developers will build things like restaurants and stores, which will be a welcomed addition to our neighborhood. So with that in mind, we asked students and staff what they would like to see built on the lot. What would you like to see from that lot that's across the school?
Well, I'd like to see more big block chains, like Target, Walmart, stuff like that,
I would probably want a McDonald's, Chick-fil-A, maybe even an In-N-Out right there, bro.
A gas station.
Honestly, I think I'd like to see a Walmart. Instead of just a convenience store, there's more stuff inside of a Walmart than just getting a bunch of junk food.
Probably a store where I can buy snacks. Maybe an auto shop because my car breaks down a lot.
Probably a little place where a lot of mini shops and maybe let's say a McDonald's.
Honestly, I would like to see maybe some convenience stores or not Chipotle, but maybe a fast food place.
Man, I want to see some food spots, you feel me? Some Wendy's, feel me? Some Subway. Love my Subway type sandwiches.
Either a McDonald's or a Walmart, one of the two.
Maybe a skate park would be cool, because I had heard people wanted a skate park.
So, probably a store where I can buy.
That's awesome.
Let us know what you would like to see on the lot. Head to our Instagram page, Sanger West Productions, and take the poll.
Hello, I'm Mariah Sandoval. A group of students from Sanger West got to spend a week in Texas. The Sanger High Robotics Team recently returned from the World Championship in Houston. Over 350 teams from around the world took part. Sanger was one of only 5 teams from the Central Valley to be invited. Team Unirex includes members from Sanger West. Caitlin Harbert is the co-driver, meaning she controls the team robot, which was built by students. Caitlin says the trip was something she will always remember.
Took away a lot of things from this trip. Something that really stuck out to me, though, was seeing this project, something we all worked for, something bigger than myself or one of us individually on the team, come to fruition at Worlds. That was something that'll stay with me for a long time.
Students interested in getting involved in robotics can stop by Mr. Cuevas' room 106 during lunch to learn more.
Hello, I'm Helena Yang, and as the Sanger West campus separates from the Bethel campus, students interested in being involved in the student government are taking charge. Sanger West will have class officers next school year. Anissa Trujillo will be the Associated Student Body President, and she has big dreams for Sanger West.
There's a lot of goals, to be honest. One being, I think our school needs a lot of unity. That's a big thing. I want everyone to feel involved and for it to just be a fun school year.
If you're interested in working with the student body, helping with school activities and events, you can contact the activities director, Miss Rocker, through her email. Have you taken a foreign language class? If you plan to go to college, it's recommended that you take at least 2 years of a foreign language class. Sanger West offers a Hmong Language Class, where students learn how to read and write the language. It's taught by Mr. Vang. He currently splits his time between the Bethel and West campuses, but hopes to grow the enrollment here at West. It's estimated that more than 30,000 Hmong call the Central Valley home. With such a large population, Mr. Vang says knowing the language is quite valuable.
Hmong is the third most spoken language in Fresno County. That means when you deal with business, you're going to be meeting with a lot of Hmong customers.
While many of the students who take the Hmong Language Class are Southeast Asian, the course is open to all Sanger West students. Students say they enjoy learning in the class and strengthening their language skills.
Just hanging out with friends, or like the teacher's like really calm. He's like chill with us, yeah.
I've definitely gotten better with speaking, and I can also read now, so I think it's really good.
It's not just about learning a new language. The Hmong class also focuses on culture and bringing attention to the Hmong community.
I would like to spread the songs because there's some really good Hmong songs out there that have very deep meanings.
I would recommend this class because Hmong is a dying language and it has a lot of things in its culture, and it'll be really sad to see all that stuff go.
Anyone interested in taking the Hmong Language Class can talk to their school counselor or visit Mr. Vang.
Hi, I'm Maddox Kildar. We continue to keep an eye on the construction projects happening around campus.
Construction crews are making progress on the high school campus being built next door. Crews have been working on underground pipes and wiring. Some concrete has been laid, and if everything stays on track, we'll be moving next door to the new campus at the start of 2023-2024 school year.
I think everybody should be looking forward to just the innovativeness of the campus. We're going with the most up-to-date technology. This is going to be a campus that is unlike any other campus in the state of California, and we're excited that we're able to give that to you, all of our students.
The first buildings set to be finished are the 3-story academic building and the administration office. Our current campus will become a middle school.
Hi, I'm Emma Benal. A recent event brought hundreds of visitors to campus.
Sanger West held the first ever open house on Monday, May 9th. It was a chance for families to check out their students' work, see what they learned through the school year, meet with their teachers. There were student performances including from the football club, a meet and greet with the Hornets athletic coaches, and the food trucks for visitors to enjoy.
Still to come on the Sanger WESTcast, we're teaching you how to cook enchiladas. And in our Man on the Street segment, we're talking French fries. We want to know which fast food restaurant makes the best. But first, these messages.
Why would you look at the time? I am late.
Come on, why are you crying? Stop crying. I think he's mad that you're not following Sanger West Productions.
Valley ROP, the educational organization that runs career technical educational classes for Sanger Unified and other School Valley districts, recently held an event to celebrate their 50th anniversary. It took place on April 8th at the Kings River Winery. Booths were set up, showcasing educational programs offered by Valley ROP. Sanger West's video production class took part in it.
Hi, I'm Joshua Vandy. We tried something different for this episode of the WESTcast, a cooking segment. Joe Morales and Gabriela Velasco have made enchiladas. Let's check it out.
Hi, my name is Gabriela Velasco.
And my name is Joe Morales, and today we'll show you how to make a Mexican dish.
Enchiladas. Let's get started. So today we'll be using water, tortillas, chicken, chile guajillo, and cheese.
Some oil, some salt, some sour cream, and of course a blender. Now let's get cooking.
So now we're gonna get into shredding. Now that we finished the chicken, I'm gonna get started on the sauce, and Joe's gonna get started on preparing our cooking area. So for the sauce, you're gonna need a blender. You can add different things that you want, but I put chile guajillo. It depends how many you put in there, how spicy it's gonna be. I'm gonna put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We'll put 7. Okay, you also need some salt, and then for this, you will also need water. You don't want to fill it up too much, not even halfway. Okay, so now that we have this, you're gonna want a coladera or a strainer to take out the seeds because you don't want that in your sauce, and just dip it in there. And then you could just like hit it so that it goes through. My sauce is done.
So now we're gonna heat up the chicken. Let's go. Now it's time to eat.
Let's see what people think about our enchiladas. So our first tester is Miss Sagamonian, our very good teacher. Let's see what she thinks about it.
Oh wow, guys, I'm excited to check this out. Let's see. I love a good enchilada. Pretty good, guys. I give it a 8 out of 10. Thumbs up.
So we got our second tester here. We got our lovely Junior. He's going to tell us, give us our honest rating. Go ahead, Junior.
Pretty bomb. Pretty bomb. I'll give it like an 8. Okay. Give it an 8.
Okay.
Oh yeah.
Okay, that's good. We want to thank Junior too for helping us set all this up. Without Junior, we wouldn't be here today. So
thank you guys.
Thank you. So guys, we are here with our third tester, I believe, and he's going to go ahead and tell us what he thinks about it. Go ahead.
I was 8 out of 10.
8 out of 10. Okay, that's good. Thank you.
Hey guys, we're here with our fourth tester, and yeah, go ahead, tell us what you think.
It's pretty good. Yeah, I'd say give it like a 8.5 out of 10, maybe 9.
Okay.
Hey guys, this would be our, I believe our fifth contestant, and yeah, rate it 1 out of 10 and tell us what you think.
It's pretty good. I give it a good 8.5 out of 10. Okay.
Thank you. So now we're here with our sixth contestant that will now taste test our food. So go ahead and rate it 1 through 10.
It's actually really good. I rate it 9 out of 10.
Oh, okay.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you guys so much for watching.
Hope you guys learned something new.
We want to give a big thank you to all of our friends and staff to help us make this possible.
Adios.
Speaking of food, which fast food restaurant makes the best fries? Matthew Gonzalez, our man on the street, wants to know. Let's see what he found out.
Where are we heading next? I'm not sure, but all I want to know is what your favorite French fry is. Mine is McDonald's, Joe's is terrible, and Gio likes Burger King because he's weird. But what is yours?
Either Big Mama's or Doghouse.
I think McDonald's. I think McDonald's is elite in their fries.
Okay, Chick-fil-A.
Chick-fil-A, there you have it. The weird square hexagon fries.
French fry.
I like them all.
In-N-Out animal style fries.
Favorite fast food fry?
I would have to say the same, yeah, with diced chilies on it.
Doghouse all the way.
Doghouse.
don't know.
In-N-Out.
In-N-Out?
Yeah, I'd say In-N-Out as well.
McDonald's.
Chick-fil-A.
McDonald's or Red Robin?
Gio, very important question. What is your favorite French fry?
I would have to go with Burger King because they're like big, but then yeah.
But are they the Cheeto fries?
No.
It's a movie. Paparazzi, they all tryna show me, but it's all Gucci. Flex like his shawty, he's a groupie. My life got me feeling like I'm trolling. Yeah, I think my life is a movie. Paparazzi, they all tryna show me, but it's all Gucci. Flex like his shawty, he's a groupie. My life got me feeling like I'm trolling. I just stand on the red carpet, that's where he at. Chauffeur pulled up in a stretch map black, yeah. I'm about to lose control.